What's up, internet? Welcome to my stream. Today, we're playing Ruta again and again and again. Although, this is probably the last day of repetitive Ruta practice. I think I need to go to Death Mountain and do, like, you know, Bow Escort. Rudania.
There you go.
Also, Wago Kata. Actually, Oman Awe, Sanadin Park, Hyrule Castle, Wago Kata, Rescue Yunobo, all of that. Xerix.
Happy late 11-month BB. Parrots, nice glasses.
Hey, thank you. I don't know how you have 11, that's so much.
Well, Link, here we are. Looks like this is where the real work starts.
I see. Well, congratulations, because next month you'll be the only person to have 3/4 of a heart. And I think the only person who has a full heart is Fish Sticks, who's a Twitch staff member, who like somehow still has like perma-sub on my channel or something, despite me deleting the channel and losing all my subs. And then getting it reinstated. Yeah, thanks.
You're here, I must say, now.
What y'all think about E3? Do you have any opinions?
You'll need a...
I actually don't really care. I'm just waiting for Nintendo's E3. And even then, I don't care so much. I don't expect much. I would really like to know when the DLC's coming out for this game, actually, but... There was a little bit of gameplay footage for Bloodstained, which I actually backed on Kickstarter a while ago. And I actually even got the Kickstarter Switch to be the Switch version of the game, so I'm gonna get that when it comes out in 2018, I believe. But the gameplay itself, watching it doesn't feel very riveting, but I can see the game being good. It's just like, I didn't really feel too compelled to sit there and watch it or analyze footage. I was just kind of like, I'll play this when it comes out. So that'll be next year, I think. I don't think it's gonna be this year. The newest release that I'm really gonna get is Sonic Mania in August, and of course the DLC for this, already pre-purchased. Yeah, that's fair, Rogue. Yeah, I guess there's a
Good. You will see
there's a
Be careful.
E3 presentation happening right now. Sort of don't care to watch it.
sweet.
Hey, thanks, Bound Alice. Welcome to the stream.
There are two.
I feel like I've learned this, like I kind of.
Just one.
So far, so good. Getting bangs. I mean, I kind of have bangs now. I just like. I actually think the middle part has always generally suited me, and like I don't mind it. I just like. I don't know. Hair is always really weird for me. I've never been super happy with my hair, but fuck, get on the damn platform. Oh my god. Of course I choked this part.
Careful, that spear has a long reach. Not much room to open.
So that went pretty well, other than getting on the ice block then up the ledge. So let me just do it like one more time. If it goes well, I might switch to a different section of the game.
Can we get rid of that ice? Shot arrows ready?
I feel like I have flares of anxiety that happen like randomly. I have like an anxiety disorder. I swear I do. And like sometimes I just feel that This is just a practice stream, we're not doing runs. Well, it's not comfortable though, I don't like it. I'll just get like a thought in my head that like, I feel kind of strange. What if my heart's gonna fuck up and like kill me suddenly? That's like my internal like, whatever. Then I just start to freak out, you know? It's like, it's not a character trait that I want.
I must say now. You'll need a map.
Low dosage anxiety meds, like what? Klonopin? Like, I notice if I'm on Klonopin and then I get off of Klonopin, then it gets really bad. You know? It's like, I don't want to rely on these drugs. But yeah, it's just like, I don't know, I'll stand up and feel weird and then I'll just start to panic. Also, Xerix, not to be mean, but like, when you said, do you think about considering getting bangs? I was like, I just fucking got bangs. I like considered it for a long time and I got them, and now I guess like, maybe it doesn't look like I have bangs because I parted my hair, but like it feels kind of more comfy for me to part my hair for some reason. I just kind of like to do that. It's almost like it's impossible for me to like, it's not impossible, but it just feels like, I don't know, getting like full bang coverage from like end to end or whatever sometimes feels like I'm constantly finicking with it, and it's just like, I kind of don't mind having a part or whatever, and like, no, it's alright. I just kind of like, I don't know, for the most part I'm done like stressing over my appearance. Like, my hair kind of bothers me sometimes, but I don't know.
Good. You will see. Take Ruta back. Be careful.
Yeah, like, I don't want to rely on Klonopin. Benzos. You don't want to rely on benzos. It's bad. It's not good to rely on them. Oh, fuck. That's slow.
There are 3.
Like, if I took like 0.25 milligrams,
There are 2.
or is it 25 milligrams? I can't remember what the actual dosage is. It's like, I think 0.25. If I took that right now, I'd be feeling pretty good. But I also think that I don't want to rely on that, because then I'm just going to feel worse when I'm off it, you know?
Just 1.
So I just want to not rely on it. Yeah, that shit's not something to joke around about. It's like pretty fucking real. Oh, really? You're sure it doesn't? Okay. I was just curious.
Careful, that
I
spear
wasn't
has a
sure.
long beak.
Spur, I've never heard of it.
Careful.
Did I forget to eat this?
Not much room to open.
No wonder my fight is so fucked up. I'm gonna do it again. I like this practice. Davis, I started HRT on November 2nd, 2015. So I'm not yet at the 2-year mark yet, but we're getting there.
Can we get rid of that ice? We're getting closer. All right, go! That's it.
I think everyone just desires the feeling that, like, what they're doing with their life, they want to feel like they have kind of like I don't know how to describe it. Like, upwards mobility is not quite the right term. It's more like I don't know how to describe it.
You're here.
People don't want to feel
I must
stuck.
know.
People don't want to feel like they're stuck. They want to be driven
You'll need a map.
towards that which fulfills them, and to be like kind of rewarded as they're doing it.
The guidance. There are 4.
am I feeling? I'm feeling
Good.
okay.
You will cease take Ruta. Be careful.
We have Mulam Monster in my chat trying to cause some sort of ruckus. But guess what? It's my life, not yours, Mulam. So, go fuck yourself.
There are 3. There are 2. Just 1. You activate. There should be, and be careful.
How come it's so hard to place the ice block here? What the fuck? It can be further away though, like, it doesn't have to be against the wall.
Careful. That spear has a long reach. Careful. Not much room to operate.
I'm just grinding this in a dust. It feels kind of nice to just do it. Clock Torque. I'm kind of waiting on buying new Joy-Cons. And because E3 is happening, Nintendo's E3 is in 2 days, so we might get like the release date for the DLC, and the DLC might come out, and depending on how it works, it might change like the way I run the game, kind of, and like it's just kind of like we're basically in limbo right now, and just kind of practicing endlessly until the DLC date is revealed, which is probably in 2 days from now. I need to wash my pillowcase. I feel like I'm getting like acne on my cheek or something.
Get those shot reports.
I'll watch Nintendo's E3.
What?
It's on the 13th.
here we are. Looks like this is where the real work starts. Best of luck. Nice job cutting off the water flow from this divine beast. Show the enemy no fear. I'll see you back at Zor's domain. Farewell. Finish the job.
I hate people like Mulan Monster. I hate people like you, if you're still here.
I must sit now. You'll need a map. The guidance.
Well, it's like, it's been fucking 18 months. So, like, fucking get over it, asshole. Like, what the fuck?
There are 4.
Good.
Good. You will see. Take Ruta back. Be careful. There are 3. There are 2.
I think it'd be better if I stood on the other side of this room.
Just 1.
Because then I wouldn't have to turn the camera around and get screw myself like that, basically. Actually, it doesn't even matter because I have to wait. I don't know, this game's crazy.
You activate. There should be an. Be careful. I'm
so tilted by people who come in and say that shit to me though, like, it's like, oh, yet another piece of shit who used to like me and like thinks I'm like irredeemable now.
Careful. Not much room to operate.
I never really had a consistent schedule though. Like I never really did. I don't really need to practice this too much more. Sub 340. It kind of depends like how soon the DLC is coming out and like when I can get the new Joy-Cons. I think I can get the new Joy-Cons on like the 17th or something, I don't know.
Must break that up. Here you go.
Speaking of the 24/7 podcasts, I need to upload terabytes of video, and like I think my ISP is gonna be pissed off at me. Well, I'm gonna be charged for like overages or whatever. Data, like too much data usage. So like, I don't know what to do. Botnet. It's like terabytes of data.
Well, Link, here we are.
I must now. You'll need a map.
No, we cannot get married. Thank you,
The
Turtle.
guidance. Good. You will see. Take Ruta. Be careful. There are 3
Doesn't matter. It's all on a timer anyway.
There are 2
Whatever. Whatever.
You activated. There should be. And be careful.
I think I'm done practicing this shit.
Careful. That spear has a long reach.
Wait, really? Get down.
Careful. Not much room to operate.
Oh, I forgot to do this. Forgot. No, I'm just done practicing this dungeon. We have other files to practice other things on, and that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, what do I need now? I think I want like a Demon 9 VOD. There might be more runs, not tonight, but like, it's possible more runs could happen. Demon was doing some attempts. Wait, did Demon finish a run? No? Or wait. Wait, did Demon finish a run? Oh, it's a slow run. Wait, we must go to Death Mountain. Dakako Shrine. Ice arrows. They do more damage. I guess they're faster. Alright. Then what? Wait, I want to watch that again. I swear I know a faster way to get up. Okay. How far do you go? Whistle spin or no? Does it matter? Why do you have the scimitar of the 7? I guess still gets it. One headshot with ice arrows is dead. That's really good. Okay. I have boobs. They're small, but I like them. Can I look up bus bar? I can look it up now. Bus bar. It can treat anxiety. Anti-anxiety treats fear, tension, irritability, dizziness, pounding heartbeat, other physical symptoms. Okay. What is this stuff? Side effects. Headache, dizzy, drowsy, sleep problems, insomnia. Insomnia, really? Nausea, upset stomach, feeling nervous or excited. Well, I don't know. I have problems sleeping. Okay, the first drone, I believe you don't skip it. I believe you chill. I'm gonna do the Venic strat, which is faster. So I'm not gonna do this strat. Alright. Alright. I'm watching a video. A link to the video. Okay. I want to see something. Wait, go back. F symbols, thanks. It's a different strat than the one I use. Maybe it's better. Wait, I thought you skipped these. Wait. Wait a minute. What? I thought... What? Oh wait, you use it on the third phase. Oh my god, the third phase? Oh my... Oh my goodness. Do we have some new strats? I think we might. Wait, really? This one's so fast though. Come on, this doesn't make sense. This doesn't even make sense. Why did Demon do that? That doesn't make sense. That one's like free though. That doesn't make sense. Why did that just happen? I do I have to listen to audio. What? That doesn't make sense.
Just know that you guys had that conversation when I was practicing this part. Come here.
What?
Let me hit it.
What?
No, I did the wrong strat.
Yeah, you did the wrong strat.
God damn it. Strat is 15 seconds lower.
Yeah.
Shit.
Alright. What about using it in the third section though? Alright, bye. What's up, Venom? That makes me really curious though. What if you used it on the third? Well, you want the box though. You're gonna want the box anyway. Okay. Yeah, Demon fucked up. Let me look at a different video. Breath of the Wild practice. This is probably a better one to watch. Bum 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. La 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 la. Bum 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 bum. All right, I'm peeping this video. I'm peeping. We're peeping it. There's a squabble happening in the dungeon. Such a squabble. Okay, right here. Alright. Well, let's try some stuff. Let me load again. Alright, we're ready now. Let's go. Ibinot. I think the other one saves more time because I use the Venic strat. I use stasis boulder launch, so it should be better. I'm just gonna try it where Demon intended to use it. Oh fuck, didn't want to do that. Okay, so we want ice arrows, headshots. Oh, still living. Okay. Oops. Got here too early. If you get there that early, it's better to hit the switch, but the Goron's kind of in the way though.
Huh? Oh. Hmm? Huh? Hmm. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Violently calms. I'm not a fan of violence, Master Yonda. I'm like anti-violence. Alright, who wants to die?
Oh.
Hold on. I need to derail the dungeon. I must derail it. Somehow. Oops, didn't want to do that.
Okay.
That was kind of slow. Oh my god, it didn't work. How did that not work? Oh my god. I feel like I don't really miss that usually. I wonder why it failed. Oh, I know the perfect thing to use here. Wait, hold on. Damn, I forgot I took all these selfies. I did like a big selfie session. There's a certain picture I'm looking for. There we go. I missed again. With respect to photography in the digital age? What do you mean?
Oh.
Sorry, I'm admiring myself in many pictures right now. How cameras and smartphones allow us to objectify and collect others. Make us rulers of ego kingdoms. Show you my pictures? Some of them are good and some of them are not good. There's some good ones though. I might have showed this one before, but I might just show you again right now. I like this picture of me. Oh, you know, this part comes right after Ruta. It might be cool to do like a combined practice of both sections, but I'm not sure if my file is like equipped correctly for it. Like I don't think my Ruta file has Urbosa's Fury, so I don't know. Right, this should be legitimate. Wish my controller didn't malfunction. there's this picture of me too. I can't even believe this is me. Like, this is actually shocking. This blows my mind into smithereens that that's a picture of me. It blows my fucking mind that that's me. Holy fuck. I mean, in the same selfie session, I also took bad pictures too. Those were just the good ones. I have bad pictures too. It's like, it's kind of biased. There's good pictures and there's bad pictures. That's life though. It's kind of cool that Urbosa's Fury is useful at this part. See, I thought about this part. What if he used it here? Could you take out like 3 of them? But then you wouldn't have a box for the kill. Oh my god. Fuck you.
Rivali's gale is now ready.
This part drives me crazy. Why? That should be... That's really bad. No. I don't know. Let me watch Demon do this. Like, what the fuck? I feel like I'm showing myself in an unfair light. Like, can I post some like not so good picture of myself? Like here's a bad picture. Here. Here we go. Here's a bad picture of me. Look kind of bad. So like, I don't know, that was taken the same, these two pictures were taken shortly apart from one another, like within minutes difference. It's just lighting and angles changes everything, basically. Isn't that incredible? These two pictures were taken right after each other. On the right, I look like amazing, and on the left, I looked horrible. So, you know, there's a lot of trickery with selfies. So, it is what it is. Alright, let me go. Oh, dang it, thanks, and take it easy. Okay, how the fuck do you do this? I wish I understood this. Okay. Oh, see, I hate that. I didn't do the final leap. That's what needs to happen. Or I need to have more stamina, one of the two. Hey, so chat. I'm making a game. I am making a game. And I like what I've done with game so far. And I think I want more players right now. I could use some more players. But game is for people who are kind of more interested in stuff like chess or Go. So if you're into things like that, then come to the Discord. Just letting you know. I actually never played Go myself, but it's just like a loose relation, because it's like a board game, kind of like that. It's a bit different, but... Didn't work. How far away? Okay, how far away can you get though?
Wait up!
Well, that's what we're referring to, Bagnella. Like, we have a few regular players of it. I need to make it a little bit easier to get into, because like right now, there's only like a ranked match. And so like, you come into the game and it's hard to understand what to do, and then you start losing, and then your rating goes down. And then like, I think it's really intimidating and discouraging. Oh my god. Yeah, that's stupid. I'm still kind of figuring out what is this save? I'm assuming these are too far apart now. Oh, puzzles. You know what's funny? I had that same thought too, like a long time ago. Like before I even had like a programmed version of it. I thought it'd be cool if there was like a one-player puzzle mode attached to it too. There's a lot, there's like so much that can be. So that's why I think I want like another like maybe 10 active players. Oh fuck, forgot to equip my shit. Because then I'd be a little more motivated, I think. Motivation's sometimes hard because like programming is actually really frustrating. Are you alive? What are you doing? No, fuck this run. Just reset. Yeah, I know lie chess or Lee chess or whatever is like really, it's really like well designed site. Did I miss again? Really? Well, some of that shit needs to come later though. Like, I actually have a pretty good list of things I need to like work on, but it's kind of like I don't feel like doing that every day. Not every day. Sometimes though. But then like the way I'm making it, I get nervous that like, oh fuck. I get nervous that the way I'm creating it is going to like be bad in the long run because I'm not using modern JavaScript frameworks and I don't really know how to use those. And now there's something called a PWA, or a progressive web app, and that would actually be what it should be, I guess. It should be a progressive web app, but like I feel like I'm pretty far behind in terms of like keeping up with really modern like web development standards. And so I'm just puttering around with a shitload of jQuery and like I'm just stringing it all together myself. And I'm a little nervous for like, you know, like scaling it up and like making it really feature rich and polished and work on all sorts of different device sizes and stuff and make it more portable. So it's kind of scary, honestly. It's kind of scary. It's hard. I lost the run to RNG. If I have a friend programmer, maybe they can help me. I'm not sure who I would talk to about that. Is my game feed lagging, or is that just me? As a one-person team, I can only do so much. Well, how do I maintain like full control over the project while also having people help? Like, I basically just need some fucking modern web development wizard to help me understand something like React or Vue or Angular or progressive web app technology and like actually make it work super well and like scale up and like everything, you know? That did not work. I didn't aim. And wind up nowhere. Yeah, I don't want to wind up nowhere. I'm like proud of what I've done so far and like I see a vision. I see a vision for like taking it further. And like I could continue to work on it as I have been. Just like writing a whole bunch of jQuery and just continue onward. That's something I could do. Is that what I should do?
I'm scared.
I've made pretty good progress, yeah. Recurse center. Well, there's all these like things, like arrow functions and like, what is it called? It's called like data binding or something, where it's like you have some sort of framework in which you have like, there are like server variables, okay, and then there's like the page that is being served, and then there's like elements on the page that like correspond to some data on like the server, and if you change the data in one place, it changes in the other place like automatically, and you don't have to worry about like going in and like writing all this extra. Well, I don't even understand. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even use the new JS standard. Like, I don't know. It just feels like it just gets out of control. It's like I've been doing web development stuff for like a super long time, but I have trouble understanding like the best way to like make it work really well and make it polished. Like I don't really understand what to use or how to use it. Like it feels really difficult and like hard to get into. It just feels like web development in general is just like this really fucking thorny process, and it's really sad. Wait, I'm stupid. My god. A very specific set of tools. What tools are those? Like, how do I make a progressive web app? How do I make shit not suck? Oh, I guess Link doesn't jump if it's too high. Like, let me be kind of clear. I can do most of the shit with just like jQuery. I can do it. I can do it. But it's like, I just worry that it's gonna be not how it should be or something. It'll like load slowly and be kind of like not as polished as I want it to be or something. I don't know. I didn't want to do that, no. Damn it. I want to switch out the bow and not the arrows. There we go. I know I have perfectionism. Thinking too far ahead. I don't know. I don't know. I should just sit down and really work on like the things that I should. Well, yeah, Vue. I was looking into Vue. I was like, should I use Vue? Is Vue what I want to use? I'm gonna Google all sorts of stuff about Vue. Oh, some people say React is better. Oh, some people say Vue is better. I can't decide what's better, and I don't know what would be better. I'm really confused, and I'm like, maybe I should learn it, but maybe I should just not, and maybe I should just keep going with what I have, and like, I don't understand what I should be fucking doing, and it's so frustrating. I just want to like throw my hands up and fucking cry. Right now it's all about Shadow DOM. I've never used Shadow DOM. What would I like to accomplish with my web app? Eventually I'd like to be able to support thousands of people playing it simultaneously. And I would like I want a lot of extra features and modes and shit, and it gets really complicated. Oh, fuck. That did not work. I missed. I feel like I need to take my time on it, just be careful. Do it all custom in a giant canvas element. I never learned canvas. I totally could, but like I feel like it's not necessary for what I'm trying to do. I feel like canvas is not necessary. So I am not using canvas. God, I suck. Oh my god, I suck. Okay, fuck. You'd recommend Vue. I was looking into it and I was almost gonna do it, and then I was like, what's the difference between React and Vue? Because people seem pretty split on it. And then like I try to figure out, and then I just see people arguing forever both sides, and it's just like, holy fucking hell, like what in the world am I really supposed to do? I can't hit that switch ever. God damn. Oh, I did hit it.
Huh?
Well, define good and clean code. 'Cause, I don't know. Some of the stuff I'm doing currently with my code is maybe not so future-proof. Other stuff is not so bad. Alright, you know what? Maybe I will try to learn Vue. But even then, I'm still split on like, should I drop what I'm doing and learn Vue, or should I just keep writing jQuery and like porting everything to Vue or whatever? Like, I mean, I suppose I could like slowly add it, or whatever, like slowly move stuff over to using Vue, and I could keep jQuery, right? I could probably do that, so maybe it's not so bad. It's just, it's getting to the point now where I have like, it's giving you this page and like there's data, and like sometimes the data changes and you want to update the page to show the changed data, and like I'm not handling it very efficiently right now. It's really inefficient, where it's like re-rendering everything anytime something changes, and it's like, that's really shitty. And it's like, well, okay, then maybe I should be more specific about what to update. And then it's like, well, okay, well, how do I like, I guess I should give everything like a unique like signifier, and like update exactly the, like, I don't know, like I don't know, I'd write my own kind of binding thing, I guess. I don't fucking know. It's like, yeah, like if that has the binding shit or whatever already, then like maybe I don't need to worry about it. Yeah, so from what you're saying and from what I've experienced, it seems like learning something like Vue or React would actually be the intelligent, correct decision on moving forward with this. But actually starting to do that, like actually incorporating it and making it work, I haven't really started on that at all. I just read internet debates and got frustrated and like not really understood the syntax and shit, and like I haven't really I haven't like given it a serious try, but like that's kind of where I'm at. That's kind of the situation for me. Is there any chance this could hit the other one? Nope. How much health does it have? Full health? Paging, we need more regulars, so like, you're always welcome. I just want, I've been playing against Jeremy, Juanti. We've been playing, and we had some good games today. It was fun. Really nice. I didn't want. I need to switch the bow, not the arrow. God.
Huh? Oh. Huh?
Ibinot, go to my Discord. Connect your Twitch to your Discord, so you gain subscription privileges and you become a bourgeoisie. And then you can enter the channel in which there's discussion. And once you do that, then you can also play it. Angular is more corporate, huge learning curve. Vue is very simple, fast, and good. Alright, you know what? I was leaning towards Vue anyway. And like, with what you just said about like these newer frameworks killing jQuery, and like jQuery not being as relevant anymore, like I've gotten that sentiment from like a lot of sources. And so it kind of feels like, especially with what I'm trying to do, like updating little bits of data here and there when it changes, like it seems really fucking pertinent that I should jump into one of the frameworks. And I was leaning towards Vue anyway, and you're saying Vue is good and like it's simple and like I should do it, so like I should do it. I should. But I have to like actually fucking sit down and learn it and like start to incorporate it and get it to work. And maybe it's not that hard, but I've never done it before and I have to figure it out. Mario Technica, what do you do nowadays? The Discord, yeah, it's in the description. Financial management? Wait. I see. Are you just in that for the money? Fair enough. Do you, out of curiosity, Mario, do you have like any passion projects, maybe separate from the hedge fund stuff, or do you pretty much just make money? Oh, you have a passion for taking money from noobs? So you like to win at the hedge fund stuff? Oh. Well, that's kind of related to your previous shit too. A research company. What do you research? I see. You strike me as the type of person who makes 6 figures. The most money I made in a year was $80,000 in 2013 from streaming, but that was before taxes, and I also had $25,000 of student loans to pay off too. So that money went away pretty quick. Can I sneak around this, or just follow it? This is fine, actually. You know what does slow down though? I wonder if there's a better way to do that. No. Oh. I suck. This is so bad. No. No. This is so slow. Programming questions. Alright. Alright, so... Okay. So let's say I had an object stored in server memory on a node server. Okay. So I got some variable object with like data. And I also have a view. I have a client-side front-end page that has the data on it. One piece of that data. What's the simplest way to use Vue to have that data be updated without me having to write a bunch of jQueries? I guess that's pretty much what I would use Vue for. Like, I don't know what else I would use it for. Maybe there's a bunch of other stuff I can do. I don't know. It's like when the variable changes on the server, the client-side instance of that data changes. Does the state have to propagate to other users? Yes, it does, and I'm currently using that. I'm using socket.io to serve data, basically. Like, they go to the site page, there's like a socket.io connection, and I can basically, the server can tell users in specific rooms, or it can tell specific socket IDs to basically run a JavaScript function by doing like io.to. whatever, I don't know. So socket IO is what I use for that.
Rivali's Gale is now ready.
If I use something like Vue.js, as soon as the object changes, your entire UI can react. Because the UI binds to the data. Okay, wait. So when you say Vue.js, is that something attached to Node, or is this purely a client-side piece of JavaScript? And if it's client-side, then how does it know the data changed at all? Or do I simply like send a socket like function that like tell the socket to do it or something? I don't really get it. Which one was right? Is it related to Node? And if it is related to Node, is socket.io even necessary? Use socket.io with Vue.js. So is this a server side? It's like an npm package, right? Oh, wait a minute. So it's client side only. Is it only client side? You can do server side rendering with Node.
Cool. You really put a licking on that thing, Link. It's time to finish the job.
Yeah, like I read
This is our
that.
big chance.
Okay, I read that there's like 2 ways to use Vue or something, and one of them was like an npm package server side, and the other one was just client side. I think you're suggesting that I use it only client side and have socket.io run some function which like updates the data stored as a variable somewhere on the client side JavaScript. And once that happens, Vue.js will pick up on that and update the layout or whatever for it. Okay, okay.
You're gonna need.
But here's a question then. When I update the layout initially, it's basically like socket.io tells the client to run a function, and it passes in data as like parameters of that function or whatever. It like passes in data to that function. And so I have the data only in that function. And inside of that function, I render the element and put the data in the element. But then outside of that function, there's no variable for what it put on the page. So like, how would the client understand updating the variable? Yes, I am thinking like jQuery. That's like all I use on the client side. So. What am I doing? The door is closing.
There are 4.
I mean, I probably will go through a walkthrough, but like, if you can help explain it, I'd really appreciate that. Good question, Jigaloo. Apparently, View is easier to use. Although, apparently, it's the subject of a fierce debate amongst experienced nerds. So, it's kind of intimidating and discouraging, even. I think it takes like an hour.
Nice
If
job
not.
getting the terminals to take back. You got this.
Wait, what am I doing? Oops. Okay. Click JavaScript tab. New view, element editor, data, input, pound hello, number hello, computed, compiled markdown function, return marked. This input sanitized true. Methods update debounce. This input equals element value target 300. I'm so confused. Okay, wait, hold on. Results. Okay, HTML. Div ID equals editor. Text area value input. Input equals update. Text area. V HTML. Div v HTML. I don't get that. I don't understand it. I don't understand. Wait, let me read what you're saying. My entire object would be the data. Wait, hold on though. We're talking about updating a single element. Are you telling me that I need to put like send a huge amount of data for like the whole game state? Or do I simply send the one piece of data that I want that element to update?
There are 3.
I'm having a lot of trouble understanding.
There are 2.
Like, I took a class on jQuery in college, and it was really useful. Oh, hello. Hello. Tests. Tests. Oh, it's a markdown editor. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Div ID equals editor. So it's a text area. What is colon value equals input? colon value, and then it's like at input. At input, is that like a view specific like thing? And like v-HTML, I'm assuming that's also view specific. Alright, what's the colon and what's the at? What do those do? Alright, I guess I have to dig into it, but if you can like answer questions and shit, that's really useful.
Nice. There should be a stay. Watch out for that sword.
Oh fuck. Whenever data in wait, hold on. Let me just fight Fireblade for a second.
That flaming ball is dangerous.
Fuck. I ran out of ice arrows though. It binds the attribute value to the data.input value. So whenever data.input changes, the value of the input changes. Alright, let me click this. Oh, it's a video. Videos are good, but like, I'm not gonna watch it right now. At input equals update. Is at input, is that some fancy view way of saying like when the input field changes, then run update, and then there's methods update, and then this dot input equals e.target.value. So e.target.value is the text that makes up the input field, element target value, right? And then this dot input is the view like variable. I don't know what the fuck debounce is, or like underscore dot debounce. That's really confusing. Div v-HTML equals compiled markdown. Compiled markdown function. Return marked. There's like, it's still too hard for me to understand. Dead simple markdown editor. It's like, fuck. I get it, a markdown editor is like a good example, but like, I actually really have trouble understanding the code. I know it's not much code, but I really have trouble understanding it. Debounce is a third-party thing that doesn't trigger multiple asynchronous requests. Do you think WebAssembly is going to be the future? And people just code websites in like totally different things?
Go for it!
Oh god, I have Bagnala in here, like hating on Vue, probably wanting me to use React, which I have no idea if it's more complicated. It might be. It's kind of annoying that I don't understand the Vue example. Fuck that game. Apparently I have to learn one of these confusing fucking things. Otherwise, I'm outdated and using like shit that's inefficient and more cumbersome in the end. So I have to learn one of these fucking things, right? Gotta learn one of them. Too bad it's like really complicated. Maybe it's not, but it feels that way. I guess jQuery was probably complicated when I first saw it, but once I took that class, it was really easy.
I'm scared.
Did I hit it? I don't think I hit that. So, say I have something called a lobby, and a lobby has a list of games. Some of them are in different states, and they have different data. And I want to take some of that data and make a layout that shows some of the data, and sometimes that data changes. So, could I have a single socket thing called, say, render lobby, where the server sends the game data to the client, and then Vue would see if anything is different and only edit the things that need to be updated. That's like kind of what I had in mind, basically. And I'm trying to wrap my head around how I would accomplish that. A component. This is practice. We're not doing runs for a while. What if I just wrote my own fucking framework? Custom framework, bitch. Oh, I already ate my fucking thing. Whoops.
Yep. Coming.
I'm trying to think of how I would even do that. It's almost like for every element that contains data, well, for every like individual, say, game or something, the element would have some like data tag or something. And then I would just like use jQuery to find which element. It would just be I would just write a bunch of fucking jQuery. I don't know. Fuck. God damn it. Like every game would have some sort of unique ID hidden in like a data tag attached to the element, and then I'd be able to find the element with jQuery or something, and then check if the value stored in the individual thing that I might want to update is like I'd have to check if it's different, and then if it is different, then just overwrite it, and if not, then move on to the checking the next variable. And I have to check every single little piece of data that I pass in every single time something changes. I have to run through the whole fucking thing. No, see, that's still kind of inefficient though. It should like know what changed and what to change like ahead of time. It shouldn't have to check the whole set of data against like what's on the page every time. I think that's kind of inefficient. Shadow Dom? Sorry, how does Shadow Dom fit into this?
Wait up! Go!
Oh, and by the way, if you do go to lichess or lichess or whatever.org, if you check their board, there are elements called squares and pieces, okay? And my question is, they're using custom elements? Is there any problem doing that? They have a piece element and a square element. It's like, is this like fine to do? They're using it. I thought there was some rules about using custom elements like that. Maybe it doesn't matter, I don't know. Chessboard.js. Not an HTML5. Oh fuck. I fucked this up. No, I didn't. I kind of did. Now you know Bo's gonna be scared. I thought even in HTML5 you're not supposed to. I don't know anything, honestly. Web development. I don't know anything anymore. Oh fuck. What the fuck? What a crazy website. Who made this shit? What's up, D-roll? It's written in Scala. Scala Lang. I think web development is too hard for people to get into. It's just too hard. It's like you want to do something, but it's too hard to figure out how to do it.
Wait up!
Rivali's gale is now ready.
Games rating. Rating deviation. Glico 2. What is Glico 2? The Glico rating system. As an improvement to the ELO system. Rating reliability, called RD, or ratings deviation. The RD measures the accuracy. Okay, so it's kind of like true skill. I'm using ELO currently.
Hey, you're here to You're gonna need...
My game. My game is pretty cool, honestly. It's cool.
You can...
My stream is nothing but shadow beings.
There are
Just
four...
letting you know.
Nice job getting the map of the Divine Beast. The terminals to take back. You got this. There are three. There are two. Just one?
Don't talk about my location though. I'd prefer if you didn't say anything about that.
Nice. There should be a stay. Watch out for that sword! flaming ball is dangerous.
Oh no. I knew that would fail. Well, Mario Technica, you seem like the kind of person who would be kind of good to come to you for advice for stuff with this shit. So, I hope you keep watching me, and maybe we could talk a little bit. But I should really watch those tutorials. Also, I'm thinking I might end the stream, like, really soon. Okay, you also, like, I feel very possessive of my project because I've been, like, thinking about this project for like more than 15 years, and it's kind of like I feel possessive because I have like a vision and a direction, and I want to like make it awesome, and it's like my own thing. And because you're so experienced, it's actually kind of scary. But you also seem like you're kind of busy making 6 to 7 figures of money all the time or something, so maybe it's not such a thing to worry about. I don't know. I have a lot of silly paranoia shit. Yeah, exactly. How was practice today? We didn't do too much. I have to practice more. We're gonna practice this section more. Hey, Forlorn, thanks. Another thing? I get mad V's when I sleep. Yeah, I know. But, what am I trying to say? I want to, you know, I've just been practicing Ruta a lot. Well, I'll watch Nintendo's E3. I haven't really been paying too much attention. I've been practicing Ruta, and now I'm practicing Rudania, and these two sections are adjacent in the run. So what I should do, after I practice Rudania more, is to get a file at Ruta, but have all the items necessary to handle Rudania as well. And use that file to do, like, entire sections, like, from the beginning of Ruta to the end of Rudania, and maybe beyond, like maybe you get to the Master Sword. Or even do the KO Rug damage boost. And then like do that whole section. And then like another long section I want to practice is Oman to Sanadin Park, Hyrule Castle, Wagokata, through the wetlands, up Death Mountain, rescue Yunobo. All of that. That whole section. So I feel like I just want to practice a lot.
Rivali's Gale is now ready.
And in 2 days, we will have Nintendo's E3. And it's possible that we'll find the DLC release date. And maybe other information about it. So, depending on how the DLC works, some of my plans might change. Such as running hard mode, and also what is Trial of the Sword or whatever? Is that like is that a quest? Is that like a main quest? Is it a side quest? Is it like a new category DLC quest or something? Or is it like not a quest? And would all quests be something I'm interested in? Or do I want to keep running main quests? There's a lot of questions, unknowns, and some of those unknowns might be understood a little better in the next 2 days. Like after the 13th. We might have more details. So it's kind of up in the air, but in the meantime I'm really happy to practice. And I'm a little reluctant to do runs, especially because my controller malfunctions. So I want to get a new controller, and like those new controllers that I want to get, apparently those controllers release on the 16th. But I don't know when I could get one, but like, I want one. Then I'd feel more confident. It's like, I don't know what's going on with that. Extra dungeon is gonna happen for the winter DLC later. This is the summer DLC, and it's gonna have Trial of the Sword, which is like a Cave of Ordeals type of combat challenge. Apparently it's gonna be like Eventide, where they reduce your equipment down to nothing. Like you start fresh or something. And if that's combined with hard mode, then that might be really challenging. I'm not really sure what to expect. Anyway, Ibinot, you, it promoted you. Just letting you know. Ibinot, I featured it a little bit in Breath of the Wild Part 103, if you want to go watch that footage. So it is like featured there. I didn't really tell people, but now you know. Anyway, I think this is the end of my stream. I think it's still gonna take a couple hours for me to fall asleep though, so I don't know if I should actually commit to falling asleep right now. I kind of want to end the stream though. Although I'm having fun talking now. Like, it just feels good to talk right now. Alright, I'll watch those tutorials. Maybe not tonight. Oh, I wonder if I should try to do laundry or something. Alright. I guess that's it. I guess we're done. Shape shifting. Do you see that? It's that shape-shifting whatever. The shape-shifting cloud of doom. Yeah, I'll see you all on Chatterbait right after this stream. Be sure to tune in and give me your tokens. Anyway, good night. Thank you for watching me. Goodbye. Thank you for watching me. And I'll stream again tomorrow.